Hello my friends, smarCod here. That is the result. Skin with random blemishes features as a kind of base for skin. To simplify that, I'll just take only the head. So first make everything else invisible and create a new VMap. To do this, select the lines in edit mode and cut the head with Ctrl E, mark seam. Let's do this. Of course, I need a new VMap. I'll use base values and name it UV map so that you can see better later which map it is. Now we can press U and unwrap. Then I go to the texture paint rider and I create a new paint map. Again with base values. Put this on the mesh and show the pattern. Let's show the map, this one. And for the pattern, I take a normal texture, something like that. That's of course a little bit too high. Let's make this smaller, maybe this value here. And okay, where's the head? Nice. A little bit more here. Looks like I got all the spots. And seems enough. Okay, next stop is the shading panel. The first thing I do is create a new material for the head and a couple of nodes. One is the image texture. I shows our paint map here. After that, a bump node and connect color to high and normal to normal. The value turn a little bit more down. And now I need to create something where I can save the bake map. I create a new image texture node and select the UV map here. On the right side, I change to cycles and move below on bake. Select normal and we can bake. Sometimes it helps to select new instead of a map. Click new on the node to create a new map. Now we can bake. Here we go. Incidentally, in most cases margin 16 is too high. I would take 1 px here. The UV map has now become a normal map. I select it, play a little with the values, and finally I add a subsurface scattering node for the skin. That was our little trip to the bake area. Hope you folks enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you don't miss the next video. Don't forget to follow. Have a great time. Until next week.